This is Money Bites. My name is James Blair, and today's topic, ACC. ACC is something that impacts on every Kiwi. It's something that sits in the background. You might go, I know it's there, I know it's got something to do with an accident, but I'm not really sure what it covers or how it works. Well, ACC stands for Accident Compensation Corporation. Say that 5 times without stuttering. I had to practice a few times before this. ACC is really a form of insurance that the government has implemented, which looks after all Kiwis. So for those that are working, it's about 1.39% of your salary will go towards ACC, and it will go into really a trust or a fund, and then it will pay out money like any other sort of insurance where you're paying premiums to look after people. Now, what does ACC cover? It's in the first word, accident. So if you have an accident, the one that many of us has experienced, maybe you roll your ankle or you hurt your knee in an accident, maybe you're skiing or you fall off a skateboard or a bike or whatever it might be, that is going to be covered by ACC. So maybe you go to the physio, maybe you need to see a specialist, maybe you need to go to a doctor, opposed to people paying out of their own wallet. They're getting covered by the insurance they're paying for up front. The other thing ACC will cover is if you have one of these accidents and you're not able to work for a period of time, it will pay 80% of your salary for the period of time that you have an accident and you're off work. So if you think about, it'll cover 80% of your salary if you get sick, it'll cover surgeries, physios. They're the kind of things that ACC will cover. Now you might go, well, why am I sacrificing 1.39% of my salary for something like this? Well, there's a few different reasons. One is in the States, everybody sues each other when there's accidents. So you might notice around New Zealand go, nobody sued me recently. A pretty good reason for that is ACC. So the system's going to look after everybody. There's no need for that kind of conflict. One, it provides a healthier society. So we're getting people who are injured being looked after as well. And it's just good for everybody. And the reason why I say it's good for everybody is it doesn't just look after those who are working. It looks after students, beneficiaries, retirees. So we're looking after our society as a whole. Now, one really important point to note with ACC is it takes care of accidents. If you get sick or if you pass away and it's not an accident, you need to make sure you have personal insurance in place. So that's where you should talk to an insurance advisor or an insurance broker and make sure you're covering illnesses as well. So in 2 minutes on Money Bites, my name is James Blair. This is ACC.